Alright, just in. IDF Chief of Staff on Lebanese border, war is not a first solution. And in another news headlines, Hamas threatens to execute hostages. Israel says surrender or else. Hamas is threatening to execute the remaining 105 hostages unless Israel meets its demand. Neither the enemy and its arrogant leadership nor its supporters can take their prisoners alive without an exchange and negotiation and meeting the demands of the resistance. Abu Obaida, Hamas spokesperson. Netanyahu issued a stark warning to Hamas: surrender now or face severe consequence. I say to Hamas, it's over. Don't die for sin war. Surrender now, Netanyahu said. Hamas is demanding another hostage exchange, but with dwindling hopes for a ceasefire, Qatar as a mediator sees slim chances for peace talks. During the last ceasefire, 105 civilian hostages, including 81 Israelis, were released in exchange for 105 Palestinian prisoners. Currently, the hostages held by Hamas include Israeli and American citizens as well as more than 24 farm laborers. Source: Reuters. In another news, IDF Chief of Staff Herzi Halevi, during his visit to Lebanon border, emphasized the need for a change in strategy to ensure security. He stated, "We must return to a different situation and return to both security and the feeling of security, focusing on military action against Hezbollah." Halevi acknowledged the possibility of war as a means to restore peace, noting this can also come from an attack and war, while emphasizing that Israel views war as a last resort. He drew parallels to Gaza, where the IDF uses considerable force to achieve security objectives. Source: The Jerusalem Post. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share, and keep focus as we bring you the most recent news with regard to what is going on in the Middle East. But then don't forget to pray for peace. Like, comment, and share. Thank you very much.